look at that. That's awesome. So it breathes fire. That's so cool. Hey guys, today we're going to be unboxing a remote control T-Rex. So let's check this thing out. Alright, there it is.
Well, why do you have dinosaur?
It's a remote control dinosaur. But I'm doing an unboxing video on it. Does it look fun?
But why do you have?
Because I thought it was cool. I thought you guys would think it was fun. Do you want to try it out?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, well let me open it up. I'll get it set up.
Watch.
You want to watch? Okay. Alright, so ages 4 to 7 is what it's recommended for. I think that might... Yes, honey?
Can I try out when it's back up?
You want to try it out once I set it up? Okay, yep. You got to sit quietly while I do this, okay? On Amazon it said age 4 to 7. It does say age 6 plus here. Alright.
Oh, it's a big.
It is big. Okay.
Well, why do you have big? I know.
Alright, so we got 2 battery charger packs. We have the charger, which is a USB charger, so you can plug that into.
Make it like this.
Yeah, alright.
Then make noise.
Okay, so we need a screwdriver to put the battery pack in. Alright, they also send along Picture, Hide, and See, looking for hidden patterns. So there's a cool little activity book that comes along for your kids to do.
That is another female.
With little dinosaur themed activities, so the kids are gonna love that. Alright, now we're gonna plug a battery pack.
Well, can we make noise?
I don't know. Whoa, look at that.
It's like enough.
Got some bright lights, flashing lights on the back. Yeah, so it does require
I need a pistol.
Yeah, you're in the video. So it does require 2 AA batteries. These are not included, so make sure you have some AA batteries with you.
Yeah, no. Dad.
What? It's nice they send that extra battery pack so you can charge one while your kids play with the other one. And then once it dies, we'll be ready to go. So, all right, so now we got our batteries in, power button on the front. Let's try this out.
Whoa.
Okay, there's a button. He does itself. I better read the directions on this. And on this button, spray. There's a spray or something in it. Alright, we gotta figure that out. That seems cool. Alright, I figured it out. This top little spike here comes out, and there's a hole here. We're gonna put water in there and see how it sprays. I forgot to point this out. It fell out of the box, I didn't see it, but there's a little squeezer tube for putting water in the back of the dinosaur. So the little top piece you pull out, you can use this to put it in without spilling water everywhere, because you don't want to get water on the batteries and that stuff. All right, so we added water.
Please go see me.
I'll turn it back on. Oh yeah, look at that. That's awesome. So it breathes fire. That's so cool. Is that cool? Yeah, why don't we take him in the kitchen and then you guys can try. All right, let me show you. So this is your forward and your backwards. All right, hold on. Now this turns him, and then these move his head side to side. And then there is a button, he'll do his own thing. So you can turn him on and he'll just drive around. What do you guys think? Why don't we move him out in the middle here? Look out, don't let him get you. All right, let's let Finn have a turn. Yep, we can all have a turn. And guess what? We have 2 batteries, so when the battery dies, we can put the other battery in. Seems like they like it, so thanks for watching.